Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow pop-ups in Microsoft Edge. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you want to go to the top right hand corner and click these three dots and select Settings. From here, you want to click on Cookies and Site Permissions on the left hand side. Now you want to scroll down until you see pop-ups redirect switches here in between images and intrusive ads. Click on that. We have the option to unblock pop-ups. Now you might not want to unblock it completely, so what you can do is you can allow it for certain sites. So if you have a certain site in mind that you want to block pop-ups for or allow them for, simply click add for whichever one you need, type in the URL and click add, and it will automatically be added. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.